Why do injury victims underestimate their claim's worth? Imagine going through a tough injury and then thinking your claim isn't worth much. Many people do not realize how much their injury could actually be worth. When someone gets hurt, they often focus only on immediate costs like hospital bills and lost wages. They forget about the pain and emotional suffering that can last 4 years. These non-economic damages are harder to see but can be a big part of the total settlement. Calculating damages involves adding up all these costs, but many victims don't understand how damages are valued. They might not know that pain and suffering are usually calculated with multipliers, which can increase the claim's value significantly. If they don't understand this, they might undervalue their claim from the start. Another reason is that injuries can be complex. Sometimes, the full impact of an injury isn't clear right after the accident. Victims might not realize they will need ongoing medical care or that they could have permanent disabilities. This uncertainty makes it easier for them to underestimate what their claim should be. Documentation also plays a big role. Without detailed medical records, proof of lost wages, or evidence of other damages, victims may feel unsure about how much they can claim. They might worry that they won't be able to prove their losses, so they settle for less. Many victims are unfamiliar with how insurance companies or legal processes work. They may not understand that liability, or who is responsible, affects how much they can get. If they think they share some fault for the accident, they might lower their claim unnecessarily, especially in states that follow strict rules about contributory negligence. Psychological factors also influence their judgment. Shock, stress, or a desire to get the case over with quickly can lead victims to accept lower offers. Insurance companies often make early settlement offers that seem tempting but are actually less than what the victim deserves. Lastly, valuing a claim involves both facts and personal judgment. Without legal help, victims might not know how to present their case or negotiate for a fair amount. They may not emphasize their injuries properly or might accept a lower payout just to avoid ongoing stress. Getting help from a personal injury lawyer can make a big difference. An attorney can help gather all the necessary documents, explain how damages are calculated, and negotiate with insurance companies. This guidance helps ensure victims understand the true worth of their claims and get the compensation they deserve for their injuries and losses.